Get acquainted with the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado LD. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make the most of every drive when you travel in modern style and comfort. Sculpted lines and a quiet cabin soothe your mind, while the latest safety and infotainment tech keeps you secure, focused, and entertained. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.